Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're going to be looking at a website known as Glogster. My name is Emma Sneed, and I'm originally from Louisville, Kentucky. Richmond is actually the only city that I have lived in outside of Louisville. I'm a senior this year, and I'm an English teaching major. My ideal teaching setting would be teaching 11th and 12th graders in a larger city such as Louisville because that's the lifestyle that I'm used to. What is Glogster? Glogster is an online tool where students can create interactive posters. These physically look a lot like things that students might make in the classroom, but this is very different because students can place links within the poster to give more information on a specific topic that the reader can look at if they choose to do so. Students can also work on these individually or in a group. As I've been in classrooms, I've found it's very hard to look at different and creative assessments for students in the English world because a lot of times we just give them writing assignments. So I have found that this is something the students can do that's creative and fun. Since this is a poster, I've decided to walk you all through an example that I found on Glogster. This is an example that I borrowed. I did create my own free 7-day profile, but I decided it would probably be easier to just borrow a poster from someone. Being an English major, I did find something I would be able to use in my classroom. This is a literature poster, and they say it should be for around grade 10. This is an introduction into romanticism. As you can see, this person has given us many different looks into romanticism. We have a very detailed definition. We look at literature, and then they also show us music and art at this time. Now, as I said, what's really interesting about this is it's interactive. So say this painting right here, I want to look at a bigger picture of it. Therefore, I'll just click the link and it brings up a larger picture of the painting in case there's details that I just need to specifically look at, such as this deer over here in the corner, or what type of painting style is this. As I said earlier, I did get a free 7-day subscription, but there are different paid profiles you can get. The Glogster Education Basic is free and you can register up to 100 students. Or you can get the Glogster Education Premium, which is $11.95 per month for one teacher, or $99 per teacher per year if you sign up as a school or district. With this, you can register up to 200 students, and it has some other fancy things you can do that you can't do with the basic, which would be nice to have, but not necessary. So if you can use the basic, that's great. But if you are going to be a teacher in a larger school, you might want to look into the $11.99 or $95 per month just because you want to be able to have all your students registered if possible. I hope you all enjoyed learning about Glogster and have a great night.